What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the music app failed to play tracks error on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, your issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps and then go to the search bar and search for music app. So open the music app that you use and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the music app. So to clear this, tap on clear data and select clear cache. Now here tap on OK to confirm, and after clearing the cache memory, the music app will start playing tracks without any error. But if you're still facing the issue, then open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for PowerAmp app. Now install this PowerAmp music player and then tap on open, and now you can play your tracks in this app without any error. So that's how you can fix the music failed to play tracks error on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.